If your Android screen colors look off, here's how to restore them to normal in 1 minute. Swipe down from the top and tap the gear icon to open settings. Scroll to accessibility and open it to find color-related options. Select color correction. If it's turned on, toggle it off to restore true colors. Go back, open display, and check color inversion and night light settings. If night light is active, turn it off. It applies a warm tint to the screen. Open accessibility shortcut settings and disable any shortcut that toggles color effects. If color inversion is enabled, switch it off to return to normal color output. Restart the phone by holding power and tapping restart to clear residual display modes. After reboot, recheck accessibility and display to confirm the colors are correct. If problems remain, reset accessibility settings to defaults and accessibility reset. Colors should now be back to normal. Follow for more quick Android tips.